For a long time, we had been driven by a dream that gave us the strength and inspiration to create a world, a small world where people can unlock their potential and change the future for the better. Gain unique knowledge that will open the door to something bigger and brighter. Create conditions that give freedom, strength, and confidence. Create opportunities that allow you to conquer the greatest goals. Create generations that write the new rules. And we did it. The future is already here. The future we created together. SDU Today is where people find themselves, open up to the world, and invigorate each other. SDU Now is a home that is always full of heart, soul, and reason. SDU, more than a university.